Okay, this is going to be part 2 of the geometry triangle unit review. And I know everyone in here has one of these right now, and they're going to be paying attention for this thing. There's no one in here I have to yell at any single point during this. So, okay.
Can I use the restroom though? Like, I need to use it.
Fine, go. All right. So, let's take a look here, please. Steal another one? I have here. Okay. So right here it says, given the following diagram, fill in the reasons for the following proof. Now, step 1. I have the statement, so what's the reason? Step 2 says XM congruent to YM. Okay? Okay, says right here. Says right here. So, from this one right here, definition of XM, hold on, I'm going to mark it, XM and YM, definition of. So definition of bisect, so I have that there from my given. Okay, it says angle PMX. So PMX is congruent to PMY. Now, what do I get from there? What about it? They're congruent. So definition perpendicular, right? So definition perpendicular, or there's another one that can go with this. It's going to be all right angles are congruent. So all right angles are congruent. So I could put a little box right there, little box right there. Have happy little boxes. There we go. All right, PM congruent to PM. Reflexive. Let's mark that. All right, now we have triangle PMX. PMX congruent to triangle PMY. Side, angle, side. And 6. Why is PX congruent to PY? You like that now, right?
That's not a reason.
Chocolate, peanut butter, cinnamon, toast, crunch. The reason, corresponding parts congruent, triangles are congruent. Okay, but if you remember the mnemonic for this, then it's great. Okay, chocolate, peanut butter, cinnamon, toast, crunch.
Doesn't make sense.
It makes sense?
It does not.
Okay, you know what CPCTC, right?
Yes, I know, but like chocolate and peanut butter doesn't make sense.
Say it again.
They go good together. They even make a Reese's peanut butter cups that like been around for like 60 years.
Move on.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, Miss Prato, can I let you after those places back?
Yeah, if he ever comes back. All right, 9. Use the following diagram below to answer the following questions. Are the two triangles congruent? Let's see. If I'm looking at the two triangles, I'm going to trace over them so you guys could actually see this. Because
Side angle, side.
and my other one is right here.
No.
There we go. So we have the two separate triangles there. Now, are they congruent?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, they are congruent. Okay. So we're going to say yes. If so, how?
Side angle, side.
Side, angle, side. Hey, where's my other side that's not there? The base. KL should be congruent to each other, right? They're congruent to themselves, so that's going to be a reflexive, isn't it? So KL congruent to KL, so that's going to be reflexive property. So now I have side, angle, side, angle, side. So yes, it's going to be SAS.
I was correct.
Yes, you were.
Yes.
Okay. KJL, KJL, this one up here, is congruent to, so this one right here, I'm going to double arc this one, is going to be congruent to LMK, LMK. So how are those congruent?
MK is that's the answer.
No. Did we prove that the triangles are congruent?
The C, T, C, T, C.
There we go. So we've already proved that they're congruent, then afterwards all the corresponding parts are going to be congruent to each other. So chocolate, peanut butter, cinnamon toast crunch. Let's see if I can get this. Alright. It says MLK, MLK, so that's going to be over here at L, right? Is going to be this, and JKL, JKL is going to be this. What's the value of X? What do I know about those two angles?
They're congruent.
They're congruent, right? They're congruent. So what would I do, Mr. Yazzie?
Easy.
What would I do here to try and solve for it? Why was I picking on you? Please follow along, okay? Alright, so these two values right here have to be equal. If they're congruent, they have to be equal. So it's going to be 7x plus 4 equals 5x plus 30. I'm running out on that pen. So I'm going to minus 4. 7x equals 5x plus 26. Now what I do? There we go, subtract 5x. So 2x is 26. X equals
13.
13. 26 divided by 2, right?
Oh, I got something else.
Okay. Now that I have x, what is MLK? MLK is this right here, right? Do I know what x is?
13 degrees.
Yeah, it's not 13 degrees, it's 13, right?
Wait,
So what would I do to figure out the value of MLK?
plug it in.
Yes, very good. So I'm going to plug that in. So it's going to be 7 times 13 plus 4. That's going to be in degrees. What do we come up with? What do we get?
95.
95? Ooh, my calculator's working now. So let me, here you go. So 7 times 13 plus 4, yep, 95. Not that I didn't trust you, I just want to show everyone on the calculator. Alright, if MKL, that's going to be this one right here, right, is 21 degrees, what is the measure of KML? KML. So this one, I'm going to put in 21 degrees. What we say MLK is? MLK, that's this one right here, right? We said this one is 95. And we know all triangles have to add up to what? 180. It has to add up to 180. So, I have 21, 95. Can I figure out the missing one? Yes, I can. So, it's going to be 180 minus 95 minus 21 equals 64. So, measure angle KML is 64 degrees. Okay, now the next one. what is the measure of JLK? JLK, let's go back up here. So JLK,
Should be the same thing.
it should be the same as what?
MKL.
MKL. So MKL is what? 21. So JLK also has to be 21. Very good. So that's going to be there you go. All right. So let's flip it over. Okay. Guess what? We're done. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Comments.